What if I told you that one of these three biotech stocks could become the next monster winner over the next few years, while another might leave investors waiting for years with little to show for it? Today we're comparing ImmunityBio, NWBO, and CRISPR Therapeutics. All three have something investors love: huge potential, game-changing technology, and the possibility of massive returns. But here's the twist. If you could only buy one, which one deserves your money? The answer isn't as obvious as you might think. Stay until the end because my final ranking may surprise you. Let's start with ImmunityBio. This company has become one of the hottest names in cancer immunotherapy. Unlike traditional chemotherapy, ImmunityBio is focused on helping the body's own immune system fight cancer. Its biggest product is ANKTIVA, which is already approved in the United States for certain bladder cancer patients. That's a huge milestone because many biotech companies spend years chasing approval, but never reach the finish line. Now investors are watching three things very closely. Can ANKTIVA sales grow faster? Can the company expand into more cancer types? And can international approvals create another wave of growth? If management executes well, revenue could grow significantly over the next few years. The biggest risk? Commercial execution. A great drug doesn't automatically become a billion-dollar product. The company still has to prove doctors adopt it quickly and revenue keeps accelerating. Now let's talk about NWBO. This stock has one of the most loyal investor communities in biotech. For years, shareholders have believed the company's brain cancer treatment could change lives. The opportunity is enormous because brain cancer remains one of the hardest cancers to treat. But there's one challenge. Investors have been waiting for regulatory progress for a long time. That doesn't mean success is impossible. It simply means timing is extremely uncertain. If positive regulatory news finally arrives, the stock could react dramatically. But if delays continue, investors may need a lot more patience. This is probably the highest risk stock on today's list, but it may also deliver explosive upside if everything goes right. Now let's look at CRISPR Therapeutics. Unlike the other two companies, CRISPR is focused on gene editing. Many experts believe gene editing could transform medicine over the next decade. CRISPR Therapeutics already has important achievements and operates in one of the most exciting areas of healthcare. The company also has partnerships and a stronger financial position than many smaller biotech firms. The advantage? Less dependence on a single product. The challenge? Gene editing treatments are expensive, competition is intense, and commercial growth still needs to prove itself over time. Compared with IBRX and NWBO, CRSP may offer slightly lower risk but potentially steadier long-term growth. Now comes the question everyone asks. Which stock has the biggest upside? Remember, these are my personal opinions, not financial advice. If ANKTIVA sales continue growing and more approvals arrive, I believe IBRX could realistically trade around $8 to $12 over the next 12 months. If execution is exceptional over several years, I wouldn't completely rule out $20 or more. NWBO is the hardest stock to predict. If major regulatory success finally happens, the stock could move several times higher from current levels. But if delays continue, the share price could remain volatile for a long time. This is the definition of a high-risk, high-reward investment. CRISPR Therapeutics already has strong technology and a broader platform. If gene editing adoption continues expanding, I think a move toward $70 to $100 over the next few years is possible. Long-term, the opportunity could be even bigger if the company successfully commercializes additional therapies. If I had to rank these three today, number 3, NWBO. Amazing upside potential, but the uncertainty is simply too high for my personal investing style. Number 2, CRISPR Therapeutics. A strong company with world-class technology and exciting long-term potential. Number 1, ImmunityBio. Why? Because it already has an approved product, multiple growth catalysts, and if management continues executing well, I believe the market could reward the company significantly over the coming years. That doesn't guarantee success, but among these three, it offers the best balance between opportunity and risk in my opinion. But here's something most investors aren't talking about. The biotech stock that creates the biggest return isn't always the one with the best science. Sometimes, it's the company that surprises Wall Street with faster revenue growth than anyone expected. The question is, could ImmunityBio become that surprise? Or will NWBO shock everyone after years of waiting? Or does CRISPR quietly become the biggest winner over the next decade? Only time will tell. Now I want to hear from you. If you had $10,000 and could invest in only one of these three stocks, Which one would you choose? IBRX, NWBO, or CRSP? Write your answer in the comments along with your target price. If you enjoyed this comparison and want more biotech stock analysis with honest research and realistic predictions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.